Is mar íomh cá dgéilegs bhór géad fáilte stacaí an bhfíseán sálas me sé imreoir hain agus in jobh ham se harnáis ag imirt in GTA Vice City. Ag an tús Imirt sa foscríobh leis an gcainéil agus ordóg thart an bhfíseán sa anis agus bain buíoch díos go deo. Well, níl se chun éana am chumú ham se chun dul díorchasteach in san céad mission eile agus fan go bheicimiid céir a bheith le rá ag mo gcuine Kent Paul ansa in san Malibu Club.
Alright, Mus, I'm going to save your beer, mate.
What the hell are you talking about?
You know that wanker Diaz, the Bugelmeister? He's got your boy Lugs. Word is your mate tried to jump him. Didn't jump high enough, if you know what I mean.
Where did he take him?
Oh, hell,
In
all
plain
right.
English.
Keep your party on. We got him across town to the junkyard. Bloody hell, you nutter!
De réir cosúlachtas gadam sa dul healdaíonn taobh eile den Ilan chun mo gcuine mo fartnaí ar gnó agus beidir mo fartnaí ar grá lansbheans a thabhaill mar há a héal i mbaol i láthair na huaire. Mar cinn sibh ar an scáilán há sláinte lans ag íslú ag ídú ag imacht le srá agus is gadam sa teacht a gabhar air. Tá mo chuid gunnaí réig agam agus há an rancher an jeep mar mailteach sa agamsa agus beag mé ag iarra búla isteach agus na daoine a há ag marú mo grá a bharú sula bhain sé bás. So, bhí roinnt daoine ar Twitter ag fiosrú lam le daoine an méid an raibh deireadh take leis an srá seo, mar bhí há tús cartha agam le srá bhfíseán in san glutha Fortnite Battle Royale agus is cos go raibh sí buortha nach méid méid dul réig leis an srá seo. Well, mar cinn sibh cinnte hamsí dul réig leis an srá in GTA Vice City, mar is Imirt Thús Deireadh a thaann, so ní bheith deireadh leis an srá go dtí bhfuil deireadh leis an glutha. Agus hamse chuna bheith dul réig leis. Mar sin féin beag méid dul réig leis na bhfíseán in Fortnite agus in roinnt cluichí eile amachchansa is dócha chomach céine ach ní chiallaíonn sin bhfuil deireadh take leis an srá seo in éon chur in éon chur. Ok, is gadam sa bheith cuairmach an samar seo an ceathrú iireacht a bheith déanta agamsa ar an mission seo. Ní héag bhfuil sé uafásach dachar ach tá sé just uafásach dachar domsa mar hamsú uafásach ag an glutha de réir cosúlachta. Ok, ha gar go réún tá málam an sanis. Lance, bhfuil tú fós bio? Ceapan gur béis sin gcaiine. Sin gcaiine.
There goes my careful planning blown to shit. Thanks to you. You screwed up real good, Lance.
You killed my brother. What do you expect me to do, mow his lawns?
Gonna have to take out that prick Diaz before he takes us out. You okay to use a gun?
Sure, I guess. Nice to see you too.
Let's get out of here.
Ó, agus trí ar cosúlachta thar roinnt straon take ar an gadrib idir Tommy agus Lance inis is mór an trú é sin mar bhíidir go mór an gráil ina chéile ach há is cosúil go bhfuil cuasaí ar iníos le bhríofa láthair.
I need this right now. Here's another track.
Is gadam sa just an radio bucha ar agla go méid cuasaí cóp ceart a gceist ar an ceol, cé gur ceol úntaachtain agus ceol den scotha há gceist in san glutha sa. So ceapan gur gadam sa Lance a thart in ospidéal nó réigint, an sé just dul I dro an cearnog báinteach sin ar an airscáil. Agus ceapan bhfuil an naid ag teachtam ag ar stoppa go ramsa cumá, so is gadam sa bheith cuairmach. Well, má siad ag ar stoppa go lam, níl gairí go húntaach le go fólaíonn roinnas. Fan go bheith méid an dhéanamh siad anód. Sin an sprach.
Get patched up and meet me on the bridge to Star Island, okay?
Okay, I got you.
Arouse. Buick Sladia Han Kian Shin Carhagriach. Ní raibh Camaró Jackar ach cred nó nácred é seo an ceathrú nó cúigú iireacht ar an mission áirithe sin. Mar, you know, mar is léir hampse go hana sin gluthe agus just, yeah, lupa. Okay, reglan. Ní caiinm sa go dtír cén íseáir an gluthas ach ceapan gúil sé os ceann chuig bliain déag nó ag mar sin. So, an mbeadh sé ceart é áireamh mar sais cluiche retro ag an bpointe seo. No, cad is gá cén is cóir bheith cluiche nó cad iad an rialach ó thaobh cluiche retro ag léag ar riamh cluiche maisibh. I mean, cinnte níl sé an cartha leis na cluichí GTA is déanaí fiúháin. You know, há sé just ó bhád níos sinne hána controls, níos sinne, like, há legan amach níos sin orthú. But neadar mé an leir sin, chuna bheith mar sais cluiche retro, you know, an bhfuil rialach ar le I bhaim chun an status sin a bhaint amach. I mean, like, dar nó like, you know, an céad Pokemon ar Nintendo, like, is cluichí retro iad sin is just óca agus, you know, like Donkey Kong agus Pong agus cluichí mar sin, like, is cluichí retro iad inis. Ach, neadar mé an bhfuil GTA Vice City in san categoir sin go fóil. Agus, like, cinnte há, like, an céad GTA a bhí ar an PC na blianta padóhain sios na nócadaí. Cinnte gúil an ceann son mar cluiche retro inis. Ar immersibh se, aberlams na tráchtan mar as rudí go immersibh sin an cluiche sin mar dimmer mission your bhíos bhád níos óige. A bhád éar níos óige, like, you know, your bhíos de dimmer mé an cluiche sin ar an PC. Bhí sé sais top down. Agus dá mar rudí gur hepáirte in mission, ní raibh cead agat dul reis agus é dhéanamh ríis. Bhí de se bháin agat an mission dhéanamh agus mar raibh is agat sa ceir a bhíle déanamh agus i gcónaí ní raibh túir agam sa ceir a bhíle déanamh. Just beag tepáirt agus ní bheadh duine dul reis agus é dhéanamh ríis. Okay, ní cead agam sa bheith instant card an ceann so. Na Franklin Bochta. Beag sa anna cuid acu a bharú ach ní go fólíonn mar hamse chun an ceann so dhéanamh dús.
I got us some cannons in the trunk. Holy shit, where'd you get all this stuff? Been saving for a rainy day. You like? Yeah, I like.
This place is gonna be crawling with assholes. Be careful.
Don't worry, Tommy. I'll cover you.
Loser. What you want?
Okay, so ní féilm sa dul isteach an doras sin ré nos. Capan gur gánam sa dul gurí taobh an tí. But yeah, seo is dócha seo ceantas na mission is fearr lamsa mar Well, níl sé gur spáile hartí sinis ach tá an ahrú an bhór sa cluthe trí seo. Okay, agam. So Sean slís Dacapí all orgagon. So it's a reach cabin. And so.
Beautiful high ceilings in here.
On level seo Harvard nó since gone on sin Scarface. Say hello to my little friend.
I come to take over your business.
Tommy, you betrayed me, you idiot. I'm gonna kill you real soon. You murdering bastard.
Conas what she post Joe.
You stupid pricks! My beautiful house! Look what you've done to it! This is for my brother! I trusted you, Tommy. I would have had you made. Say goodnight, Mr. Diaz.
So yeah, an tahrú hagan tríis an mission seo ná find tú an mansion mór mailteach seo. Seo an teach is fearr sa cluiche, so, you know, it should be just. Okay, I stock a good shit of cartagam an cluiche havelan so just struggling hagla. Níl sé céir an talcan cain sin na chailúnt.
Tommy, son, have I got a surprise for you? I'm down at recording studios with some major artists. Why don't you pay us a visit? You know it makes sense, don't ya? See you later.
Okay, a cúpla rá go man is félam sa mission íanamh an sa, nó is félam dal síos go dtí mo gúna Cortez. Ach, de réir an gléic a bhí agam sa ribh an mission déarnach há práin Cortez box, so ham si chun dal síos go dtí na dúige agus cabhair a hartó roinnte Francaigh go warú. So, nada mé décúis go mín sé trid leis na Francaigh, rud éigean mar dheallar cuid sé rud éigean dúthún rud éigean na caiinlam. Ach, yeah, it's got him sa cabhair a hartó roinnte Francaigh go warú péisceile. Is kind of sa hánig an cléis amach nuair a bhí sais ain is tais éigean idir America agus na Francaigh, kind lots, cheese eating surrender monkeys agus rudí mar sin sa seans corbé sin go bhfuil siad duine cap magadas na Francaigh an sáin san glé mar tháinig sé amach ag gnám. Okay, she's goody Cortez.
Tommy, remember me?
Hello, Sonny.
That's right, Sonny. We're all friends. You never write me, you never call. Don't you want to be friends no more?
I've been busy trying to sort things out. You didn't give me a lot of support down here, Sonny.
Oh, my fault, is it? Well, I've heard you've been busy, all right. Busy killing drug barons, busy taking over. Don't forget about us, Tommy, because I can assure you, I ain't forgotten about you.
Circumstances forced a hasty departure.
What's the problem?
The French want their missile technology back, and after that last incident, we feel it's time to find safer.
Wouldn't it be safer to fly?
I'd be dead before I reach Jackie. Besides, I need to get my merchandise out of the country.
Need another gun?
You, my friend, are worth 10 guns.
Fáilte! They're attacking from starboard! Why the fuck did I do this? Oh my god, they've got a helicopter! You still got a problem with me? Oh, shoot the helicopter!
I hear none down.
Tommy, we are being overrun by the French.
Don't make me use this.
Tommy, we are being overrun by the French.
Take which knock vedle me úsáid. Oh, here now. A chuaigh ní félim san rúgur úsáid agus just ná ní félim san mission seo chur gríoch gan é. Ok, begam sa chef a friúil seo.
Tommy, we are being overrun by the French.
Job done.
Tomas, you have protected and served me well. But now you must leave us before we reach the open seas or the law of my personal launch. Keep it, my friend, a token of my gratitude.
Thank you.
One more request. While I'm away, could you keep an eye on Mercedes for me?
I think she could look after herself, but sure, I'll keep an eye out.
Gracias, amigo. Hasta luego.
Adios, amigo. I hate that spring train.
Agam an mission sin chur gríoch agam arás. Is tóca gur leir sin den láinmh há roinnt mission chur gríoch agam agus sin é beag mé rais go luath agus denna mé roinnt mission eile. Gur míle magadh as an beag fécinn ar an bhfíseán seo agus go dtíon céad ó eile slán.
All right, Tommy, it's Paul. I just heard from a mush that you've been a real naughty boy. Somebody's taken offence to you acting like the big guy all of a sudden. Giving it a big shot thing. Well, don't say I never warned you or nothing. Boasting is a mug's game, son. Anyway,